This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 30D is a Class C RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 30D is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.